Hello, welcome to JoJo's farm. I'm giving you an update about where we are right now. If this is your first time watching us, please subscribe to our channel, like our channel, and also hit the notification button so that when we share any video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you all for watching our channel. It is amazing how far we are right now. We are almost done. At the moment, we are the finishing touches. We are looking into the pigs. So today, if you can see, we visited some pig farms to make decision as to what kind of pig that we are getting. It is very important what kind that we are bringing to the farm. We went to various farms, different kind of farms, to visit there to see the breeds that we want. And so far, so good. We've made certain arrangements, contacts, and we are looking forward to visit again so that we'll be able to make choices that we really want. We went to different farms, we saw different kind of pigs, different kind, and we are still making the arrangement. As we said, we want pigs that has already been, crossed. We want pigs that are already pregnant. We want to bring in pigs that are almost ready. We were thinking about getting the piglets, but we realized that it's gonna be too much. So we decided to stick to the pregnant ones already, and then we'll bring them and take care of them. Like I said, we've gone through different kind of places. We've seen different kind of pigs, and it is amazing time. Like we always say, we can't wait to see the pigs. We can't wait. And as we promised, definitely we will come, spend time, come with the estimates, and then we will let you all know how much we spent, so that you guys will be able to get a picture. If you want to start, you know where to start. If you want to start, you know how much you have to start with, how much you have to save for you to be able to invest into this kind of farming. It has been a journey. You won't believe how long ago since we started, but it has been one at a time, a day at a time, and we are still moving on. Isn't that amazing? It's amazing. Thank you all for your contribution, for your suggestions, for your comments, for your likes, for your views. It has been a wonderful journey, and we are looking forward. Like we said, we are expecting that by the end of this month, we should be able to get a pig in. Arrangement is in place. Everything is according to plan. And in our next video, we're gonna give you updates about what is going on now and the state that we are. But right now, where we are showing you, it's not our pens, it's not our farm. This is not the farm. This is the farms that we visited, places that we visited. places that we want to buy from, places that we want to get our pigs from. That is where we went to. So we just want to give you a few of types and kinds that we visited, we saw, and hopefully in our next video we will see some pigs at JoJo's farm, and we will be excited, and the ball will keep rolling. We started with you from the scratch, and we are moving with you to the top. I always tell you, everything that you set your eyes on, just believe, because everything is possible. Everything is possible. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Share, introduce to others, let them watch, let them subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like and the notification button so that when we share anything, you'll be the first to know. Thank you all. God bless you, and enjoy your week. Bye bye. See you next week. Watch out for the updates. God bless you.